Dear students, good day. Let us start our session with Civics, Unit 1, Forms of Government and Democracy. In this session, we are going to learn about evolution of democracy, forms of democratic government, types of democracy, merits and demerits of democracy, democracy in India, election in India, major challenges to Indian democracy, and success of democracy in India. Evolution of democracy. It is important to know that democratic institutions existed in India as early as the Vedic period. During the later Chola period, ancient Tamil Nadu Kudavoli system was a very notable and unique feature of the village administration of the Cholas. The evolution towards the democracy is represented by the following values: freedom, equality, fraternity, which means brotherhood, accountability, transparency, and trust. Forms of democratic government. Two types of form of democratic government are presidential form of government and parliamentary form of government. Example for parliamentary form of government are India, England. Example for presidential form of government are USA, France. In parliamentary form of government, president is elected by elected members of Lok Sabha, elected member of Rajya Sabha, elected members of state assemblies. In presidential form of government, president is directly elected by the people. In parliamentary form of government, two types, legislature and executive. It works together. In presidential form of government, executive and legislature will work separately, but judiciary will be independent on both the form of government. Types of democracy. There are two types of democracies, that is indirect democracy and direct democracy. The types of democracy refers to the kind of government or social structures which allow people to participate equally. Direct democracy. When the people themselves directly express their will on public affairs, the type of government is called pure or direct democracy. Example: ancient Greek city states, Switzerland. Indirect democracy or representative democracy. When the people express their will on public affairs through their elected representatives, the type of government is called indirect or representative democracy. Example: India, USA, and UK. Merits of democracy: responsible and accountable government, equality and fraternity, sense of responsibility among common people, local self-government, development and prosperity for all, popular sovereignty, sense of cooperation and fraternal feeling. Demerits of democracy: indirect or representative nature of democracy, lack of interest in democratic process, instability in governance, delay in decision making process. Democracy in India. India has a parliamentary form of democracy. The Indian Parliament comprises the elected representatives of people and makes the laws for the country. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Democracy in India works on five basic principles, that is sovereignty, which means a supreme ruler; socialist, which means an advocate or supporter of socialism; secular, which means not having any connection with religion; democratic, and republic. Elections in India. The general elections are conducted by the Election Commission of India. At the national level, the President of India appoints the Prime Minister, who enjoys majority in the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Parliament of India. All the members of the Lok Sabha are directly elected through general elections. Members of the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament, are elected by an electoral college consisting of elected members of the legislative assemblies of the state and the union territories of India. Two houses of parliament, Lok Sabha are lower house, Rajya Sabha are upper house. The first elections in democratic India. General elections to the first Lok Sabha since independence were held in India between 25th October 1951 and 21st February 1952. The Indian National Congress emerged victorious by winning 364 of the 489 seats. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first democratically elected Prime Minister of the country. Major challenges to Indian democracy. The various aspects of democracy and its challenges are illiteracy, poverty, gender discrimination, religionism, casteism, communalism, and religious fundamentalism, corruption, criminalization of politics, political violence. Success of democracy in India. Empowerment of the poor, not to misuse their powerful position and public wealth, eradication of social evils and dangers from which democracy suffers, efficient press to form public opinion, presence of strong public opinion, feeling of tolerance and communal harmony among the people, awareness among the people of the fundamental rights, powerful and responsible position. In this session, we learnt about evolution of democracy, forms of democratic government, types of democracy, merits and demerits of democracy, democracy in India, elections in India, major challenges to Indian democracy, and success of democracy in India. Thank you.